You told me you want to surprise someone special with Snowman Macarons made with your own hands. Let's do it. Sift almond flour through a strainer. Any larger pieces left, discard. Through a strainer, add the powdered sugar. Mix them so they're combined. One more time, sift them through a strainer, and any larger pieces, discard. To a separate bowl, add egg whites and whisk until white and fluffy. Add sugar 1 spoon at a time. Mix until stiff peaks, just like this. Add the dry ingredients and with the silicone spatula, carefully combine. This one is important. You want the batter to be running off the spatula with ribbons. Don't make it too runny or too stiff. Give them a really good tap to release any air bubbles. The most important step, that's why your macarons crack. Wait until macarons set. You'll almost feel like a shell on top. Preheat your oven for at least 40 minutes. Middle rack, 1 tray at a time. The icing is just water with powdered sugar. Don't make it too runny or too thick. Enjoy the time to decorate. It's really fun, but the icing needs to be at the right consistency. To make the filling, I combined melted white chocolate, cream cheese, and a little milk. Remember, never overmix cream cheese or it will become liquid. And then macarons taste the best on the second day. Look how cute!